based in Dubai, now living in Europe, traveling across the globe to spread the mission of Dr. Lim Seojin, the DXN, to spread the noble mission of health, wealth, and happiness throughout the world, which is missing any part of the world today. Okay? So we are all the part of this great mission, okay? Since you are members already, and those guests also have the opportunity to become part of this great mission. By the end of this whole presentation, you will know what DXN is exactly and what we could do with this system. Okay, whether it is good for us or not, we will come to know by the end of this session. Okay, so say hello to freedom. This is the slogan of DXN. We want people to be free. Freedom from diseases, freedom to travel, freedom to do whatever they want in this world. This is a mission of DXN. Okay? So today the topic is why DXN and what is in it for me? That's a basic question everybody will have. Why should I do this business? What is DXN basically? What can I do with this? And how it can change my life or my friends, my relatives' life? What does DXN offer to you? DXN offer opportunities. Okay? DXN offer a lot of opportunities. When you become a member of DXN, you're not just becoming a member to buy some products, some coffee, or to make some money. No. DXN is full of opportunities. Opportunities to improve your health, wealth, to have financial freedom, freedom of travel, stability, recognition, love, personal growth, social service, to make friends. The moment you are connected with the DXN, you have 5 million friends across the globe. 5 million friends. Yes. And you are connected. You can do many things in any part of the world. Okay? It's a network of DXN. So people have compassion, love, affection towards other members. This is a strong global family created by DXN over 20 long years. So you are part of that. Welcome to DXN. So these are all these are there available in this business. Some people can see, some people cannot see. Those who see, they make use of it and grow to this level. Understanding the real value of DXN. Let us see what DXN is. It has got a revolutionary product mix which is easy to promote, which are very, very unique. These products you cannot see anywhere else. These are all invented by DXN, designed by DXN. All the ingredients are prepared by DXN, produced by DXN, packaged by DXN, and distributed all over the world by DXN without anybody's assistance. We have more than 100 plus different products, food and beverages, cosmetics, personal care products, household items. All these products we produce. And the main ingredient of many of the products are Ganoderma lucidium. You must have heard about this. It is known as the king of herbs, the herb of immortality. Contains more than 200 active elements. The major elements includes polysaccharides, adenosine, triterpenoids, and so many other things. And in olden time, it was the privilege of only emperors in China, Japan, and all those places. It was not available for common man because it is so rare and so difficult to cultivate. It was not available. So because of technology, now it is available for common man. But still it is very, very expensive because it's precious. And DXN has the technology to produce the same mother plant in millions of numbers. The same quality, same size, and all the same features. So that's why it is available to common man today, the herb of immortality, which was a privilege of emperors in olden time. Okay? But many of the people don't understand, they don't recognize the value of this mushroom. So DXN is producing it 100% organically in Malaysia. And we have come up with 2 varieties of products. 100% Ganoderma, this is RG, this is GL. One is fruit body, one is root body. When these two are taken together, it can give you enormous benefits, a lot of benefits to your body. Okay, what are the benefits we will see in due course. So these are the products, and this is another product called spirulina. We have a range of products. These two are most important products of DXN. For a human being to have a healthy life, these two products could contribute a lot, RGGL and spirulina. Okay, so how much to take, why to take, we will know. So these are the products. We have a range of products which are very, very powerful. You will know about it. Then the marketing plan. One lifetime membership without demotion. Once you become a member of this company, you are a member for the whole life. You need not do any renewal, no need to pay any renewal fees. Only condition is you need to buy at least one product in a year. This is the only condition. Okay, the marketing plan ensures attractive remuneration to committed and hardworking distributors and is proven successful for the past 20 years all around the globe. This plan is one of the simplest, most powerful plan that exists in this direct selling industry in the whole world. The one dragon concept, doing everything. We don't depend on any other company or any other people. We do everything. We cultivate Ganoderma, we produce it, we pack it, we sell all over the world. Manufacturing, distribution, marketing under one roof. Eventually, it's low price, high quality. The price is very, very economical, though it is a precious mushroom, and high quality is guaranteed. Assurance of product quality, certified by worldwide recognized organizations such as TGA from Australia, GMP from Malaysia, ISO 14001, ISO 9002, ISO 17025. So many recognitions and certifications DXN has to make sure these products are having high quality.